Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. I just got it, so I'm going to film this quickly for you so that you can see what's in this month's box. I have a lot of other Boxycharm unboxings on my channel, so I'll link some underneath. Please like this video if you like Boxycharm unboxings and you want to see more. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. All beauty related content. Thank you so much. So what I got first, the theme of this Boxycharm is Gold Digger. So it looks like this. I have in my box is this Cover FX glitter drops, which I'm super excited about. I already have these, but I don't have this shade. This is in the shade Nova. Ooh, it's a really pretty gold color. Like a really pretty gold color. There's no smell to it, and when you shear it out it's more like a champagne, so it probably would work okay for my skin tone. So that's really pretty, and these drops retail for $44, so that's already double what the box is worth because it's $21 a month. I'll link it below if you want to find out more information about how to get your own box, but this is the first item, so I'm happy with that. And it's full size, and the one that I have of these already, I'm not even close to being done because they last forever. You can like use them as eyeshadows, highlights, or put a couple drops in your foundation as well. The next thing that I got is this Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. So this is just a makeup brush cleanser that you can spray right on your brushes and clean them when they're after each use, rather than doing the full deep cleanse. This retails for $12, so that's good. I'll use that because I always like to clean my brushes. I'm sure everyone knows the struggle of keeping your brushes clean, so that's good. The next thing is this set of luxe brushes. They're a 4-pack for $21. They look super pretty. Like, this is the packaging for them. Like, super pretty gold color. So that's really nice, and I love brushes, and I've tried luxe brushes before. So that's a 4-pack of the premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, and it's a cruelty-free company. So this retails for $21. The next thing I'm not very happy with at all. It's this jonteblu glittering star eyeliner. So it's like a black eyeliner with glitter in it, which I think would be super irritating to your eyes to put on your waterline. So I'm not too sure if I even want to open this. I might just give it away because I know I'm not going to use it. So this retails for $5. Not too happy with that. I was seeing some people getting tweezers. I would have rather got the tweezers than this. And then the last thing in my box is a palette. Ooh, it's such a pretty palette. It's from Ace Beauty, the Grandiose palette. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it is so beautiful. And that's the colors. This is the colors here. It's so pretty, warm tones and some shimmers, so I'll definitely use this. So I'm super happy about that. And the palette retails for $24.99. So all in all, it was an okay month for me. I loved the palette. The palette's really, really pretty, but the rest of it, it's just kind of like meh for me. This, I just clean my brush. I don't really clean my brushes one-time use. I always just do a deep cleanse on all, so I'll try and use that. I do love the glitter drops, but I feel like this color is just not the best. Like, gold tones don't look the best on my skin. Champagne and pinks kind of do, so I don't know about that. I'll have to try it. The brushes are good, but I have so many, and this I'm just not a fan of it at all. So it wasn't my favorite month ever. I'm subscribed for the next month, December Boxy Luxe, so I'll be getting that and doing unboxing for you guys for that. So if you want to see what I get in my monthly Boxycharms and Boxy Luxes, which will be every 3 months, just subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what did you guys think of this month's box, and like this video if you want more unboxings. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.